Hi guys, previous video I shown you that we have lots of ARC themes that coming your way. 50 plus themes, and they work on all the tiling window managers, XFCE and Cinnamon, right? Just installed Cinnamon on my HQ, which basically says to you that the XD, this one, is safe to install. No, that's the other one. All right, this is safe to install, which means awesome. Cinnamon i3, Qtile, BSPWM, left WM, XFCE, chat WM, i3, and all my chat WM is great to get together and it will not interfere. Once you go installing GNOME and Plasma, that's when the, well, shit happens, right? I can say that in the video. So this is another message. We have a lot of themes. Cinnamon is of course different, so I need to look out where can I change my settings. And here's, well, not here, but in here somewhere are the settings. I've just recently changed everything again. This is not the normal look, right mouse click, configure. And I said, let's play around a little bit with this thing. So I changed my menu a little bit. And in here, the sidebar is gone. That's one of the things I've changed. So this thing here. So that little button is the one I was looking for. System settings, right? So play around with it. Cinnamon is a great system. I've been on it for years on Linux Mint. So yes, I do like the way they are making everything so great. And they keep inventing nice things, and so have a look. I had to change my display since I have a dual site, had to switch them around and say which was primary. The least of my concern, right? Least of my concern. I know I have to do that. There's some effects here, themes, that's where we need to go. Don't be afraid if you install all the ARC themes that we put out, right? First all the white, then all the dark, and that's all of it. So you've got a lot of choices. In here you've got a lot of choices. In here a lot of icons, and in here again, but this is for this particular menu, right? This is for applications, and that's for the desktop, and the desktop is actually just a menu there. So have fun with theming Cinnamon. Again, can't praise it enough. It's a great desktop. Cheers.